See if she's sharp, eh? We want to go 1/4 inch, right? Oh, I got it the wrong way. That's the problem. Do some discs. This may or may not work. Oh, that's a thickie. Let's try a little better here.
Oh, beautiful.
Not bad.
Hey, look at that.
Nice.
Little draw knife onion cutting. Ah, that's fucking, that's homesteading.
Oh, yeah, these are a mess. That's alright.
It's fucking great. Look at
We might have to go for the chop. Where's the axe?
that.
Clean up the axe.
Oh, bud.
Ow! It's still sharp. Just cut myself.
There you go. Just
Just fucking.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
We got her.
you got